Hey everyone, and welcome to Teri's Table. Today I'll be showing you how to make barbecue ribs, and this video is in collaboration with Gimme That Recipe. Today I'll be using their barbecue seasoning, and I'll also give you a recipe for homemade barbecue sauce. So without further ado, let's get started. To purchase this seasoning, just go to Gimme That Recipe's website or to Amazon, and there they also have 3 other seasonings available. I will put this information in the description box below. So today I'm using St. Louis style ribs that have already been cleaned and dried, and now I'm just brushing on some yellow mustard. This will be a binder for the seasonings, and it's also a flavor enhancer. And now I'm just seasoning my ribs with the barbecue seasoning, and I'm going to season them generously on both sides. This is what the seasoning looks like, and it contains brown sugar, salt, pepper, smoked paprika, and spices. And so now I'm adding my ribs to my charcoal grill, and I did cook them with the top over them, and I did not check them before 1 hour. Every hour I did come out and check them for tenderness. And I also spooned on a mixture of vinegar and water that helps the ribs to tenderize, and it also keeps them moist. To make the barbecue sauce, I used 2 cups of ketchup, ½ cup of honey, ½ cup of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of Gimme That Recipe's barbecue seasoning, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1½ tablespoons of lemon juice, a 1/4 cup of white distilled vinegar, and a ½ cup of water. You want to mix this well and cook it on low for 1 hour. And here are the finished results. So as always, thank you for sitting at Teri's table. If you enjoyed this video, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in the next video.